Right, let's have a little bit of an update. So, doors are on and actually closing, so I've got all the door locks on. See, need to use a finger. So we've got all the wires through, hinge lock on. That's well dusty down there, needs a clean. All the parts I need into the door, central locking pumps in, door locks are in. I haven't really done too much, I literally just got a bit of Scotch-Brite over and cleaned them off. I'm not too fussed, but in works, that door locks. Same as that side, that's all in, and we have a seat in. So the seat base and backs have all been cleaned. I've just touched these dry now, trying to put in, so I'm just touching up the bits of black you're going to see. Just quick rub down, squirt of paint. All I literally done with the seats is Audi floor cleaning from Audi, 50-50 mix of hot water. Just soak the hell out of them, let them sit for 20 minutes or so, pressure washed them. Again, soak them again with the same stuff, left them for a bit longer and just washed them off and let them dry. And they've come up, obviously I've got a fag burn holding that, too bad, but all in all they look really nice, they've come up really clean. Still a few wet patches. So this seat's all in. I've got all dashboard in, electric window switches in, all the speedos in, looking lovely and clean, happy with that. Bit of a mess of wires from the stereo in there, motors in there. One issue I did have is, if any of you've done it, the dash has got the, where the heater matrix sits up behind the back of there. There's a plastic tube which goes on the back of the dash to obviously blow the air out of the dash. I put the dash in, forgot to put that on, I was like, bugger. So managed to loosen the main nuts off the dash, got it in there, and then when I was fishing around trying to get the plug for the blower, I was like, where's that plug gone? So I traced the loom back from the motor, and the loom goes down the back of there. The wiring loom I needed was sat behind the bit of plastic I thought I got in. So I had to strip out all the centre console again, all the front of the heat matrix, all the air vents, pull the plastic back out again, get the wiring loom back out, and then put it all back in again. So that was a bit of a mare. But this carpet's in, I've got the door trim in, trims on there. Carpet's a bit dusty now, but be alright. That's only going to hoover off. Seat belts are in, this side. Roof linings come on quite well. I was really chuffed with it. I haven't cleaned much of that layer. It's just up and in there to obviously to hold it in, because most of the handrails and bits actually secure it in. I'm just doing the sunroof seal at the moment, which has been this is going to get cleaned anyway. I've only put this back on because I need the screw for the back of there for the winder holds the plastic cover on, which helps the headliner stay in, so that's just in temporary. So the sunroof seal is a bit of a pain to get on, so just using impact glue, putting it on there, leaving it for 5-10 minutes and just sticking it on. Around the back, I've just started doing some wiring. I've got obviously the known problem with these, where the boot opens over the years, obviously the wires break, snap off. So that's going to be redone. There's a few broken wires there. I've also just repaired that wire there when it zooms in. Anytime today. Maybe not. Because it has these horrible clips on. These blue little, quite good clips, they do the job. But obviously I don't want them on there because they look crap. So they'll all be coming off. There we go. Yeah, so they'll be coming off, solder them back on. I don't know what's been going on with, obviously you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, so they'll get redone, and as they should do. A few bits under there. Carpet's in. I haven't done much with the back stuff's in there, panels wise, but obviously I need another one of these carpets. Once I get them, I can clean both of those, then all the plastic bits can be cleaned and all fitted back in. I've also got to wait until I wet sand the roof because I need the aerial on there, so I don't want to secure all the headliner when I've got to get the aerial back under there. Yeah, so looking good. We're coming along, I wouldn't say leaps and bounds, but we're getting bits done. The aerial wise, I'm not actually putting an aerial back in there, it's just going to be there. I'm not messing around with the aerial because the wire was knackered, so when the stereo gets in there sometime next year probably, will just be the DAB things you can just stick in the front window. So messing around the bloody, trying to get new wire aerial back up there. But yeah, we're looking good, we're coming along quite nicely. So yeah, cool. Wow, I found out what those blue clips are for, down there and there. Tow bar electrics. Are you joking me? Why would you put tow bar electrics on a GTI?